Hi, this is Santosh from What Can I See Today, and today we are unboxing and reviewing the Portronics Clamp M car mobile holder. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel for more of these kind of videos. This unboxing of Portronics Clamp M car mobile holder. I think Clamp M version is not available online now. I think they have it's upgraded to Clamp X. So I don't know. I got it from outside, not online. So I can't tell you exactly, or I can't give you the link. But I got it from outside, and it looks very good. It looked very good for me to shoot my videos when I'm in car. So I thought of getting this. It is actually showing up the price as $799, if you can see here, if you can zoom a little bit, but I got it around $299. I got it at a cheaper rate. So let's see what is there in the box first, or what's on the box first. So you can see it's car mobile holder from Portronics. It says Clamp M, and it has got a 360-degree rotation. It has got one-click release button and a strong suction cup. And here they have shown the adjustments, the telescopic adjustment, and the support arms, and the 360-degree rotation. And you have the one-click button release, where you can see. I will show you the product in just a second. And the arm screw, suction cup, and the zoom out is up to 40 mm of the telescopic bar. So it's quite good. 40 mm is quite good. This side it says it is compatible from 4-inch to 6-inch devices. So, and what is there in the features? Just it's an ultra flexible mobile holder. Okay, adjustable sidearm design, that's all, and a slot for USB cable. Okay, yes, and wide compatibility and 360-degree rotation. So here you have the brand name and pricing and other things, and the barcode, 1-year warranty it says. Okay, let's see what it has there in the box. Okay, we have this just coming to it, and the warranty card. So it says scan to register. Okay, keep this aside. Right, so this is the base. It's quite a good material, is very good. Plastic material looks good, looks sleek. Okay, and this is the mobile holder. So this is the one button. This is the one button release. So if I click this, so it will get expanded and your mobile will come out of the holder. And here is the USB slot they are talking about. Okay, let's assemble this. I already have a Zap holder with me, which is already mounted in my car, which I use for holding my mobile when I'm driving. But I still went ahead, took this for extra options. So let's see. Okay, so this is the adjustable telescopic bar, which has got the zoom out option of 40 mm. Okay, so you can tight this one and it will stay there forever. Okay, so this is right, and we'll test a suction cup, how it holds. You have the suction cup here, and it has got a adhesive also. Yes, so we will test that when we will mount this in our car and see how it performs, how it holds the mobile. So the plastic quality and the design and all, it really looks good. It's terrific. So Okay, let's mount this mobile holder on our car dashboard and see how it performs. Let's clean the surface first. Easy. I already have the Zap mobile holder mounted, which I use. This is for. Okay, I'm sticking this and I am turning the suction cup on, so it looks sturdy. Okay, so let's mount the mobile. So this is the, I have mounted the clamp, the mobile holder on my car dashboard and also placed my mobile here. So let's see how it works. We'll go on a drive and see whether this telescopic arm of this is really. Right now we don't, it looks sturdy, but let's go on a drive. So it's a bit shaky. It's not that sturdy while holding the mobile. So I recommend rating of 6 out of 10 for this holder. Thanks guys.